Are you still mending clothes this way? It's covered like this, and you can't wear it out. This is a pair of pants that the customer has repaired somewhere else and covered with a label. It is really unsightly when worn. See how we solve want with the ultimate method. Clean the area around the hole first. Now we are repairing the problem. Time is passing by bit by bit. After several days of work, a work that is almost a replica was produced. Successfully saved another pair of pants.